Hello, today we will guide you through how to change the landing page URL in Google Ads. To get started, open Google Ads and make sure you're on the main overview page of your account. This is the central dashboard where you can access your campaigns and make updates to different parts of your ads. If you're managing multiple items inside Google Ads, beginning from the overview page helps you stay oriented and makes the process easier to follow. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Campaigns. This will take you into the section where your campaign settings and related components are organized, since landing page URLs are connected to the ads and keywords inside a campaign. This is the right place to begin. Next, in the left side menu, click on Audiences, Keywords, and Content. This section contains targeting and keyword-related options, and it's where you can drill down further to the part of the campaign you want to edit. After that, select Keywords. This opens the keyword view where you can see the keywords currently associated with your campaign. In the keyword table, find the final URL column and click on it. The final URL is the destination page users land on after clicking your ad, so this is the field you'll update when you want to change the landing page. Take a moment here to make sure you're editing the correct row, especially if your campaign contains several similar keywords. Now choose the entry you want to change. Be careful to select the correct keyword or item before making edits, since changing the wrong URL could send visitors to the wrong page. Once you've selected it, enter the new URL you want to use. Make sure the link is accurate and complete so people are directed to the intended landing page. It's also a good idea to double check the spelling and confirm the page loads properly before saving. When everything looks correct, click the Save button to apply the change. Saving updates the final URL in Google Ads and ensures the new landing page will be used going forward. That's all it takes to change the landing page URL in Google Ads. If you're making several updates, it can help to review your changes afterward to confirm everything was entered correctly. With these steps completed, your campaign should now point users to the updated destination page.